use roller waxes with Waxness Marine Blue. So I'm just cleaning my feet and legs with Dr. Bump, peppermint, sage, rosemary, and tea tree. So then the first thing we're going to do, Courtney is a licensed to do hair, skin, and nails. We are in California. So start the strip like this. Okay, Courtney. Now, so we have cleansed the area of these legs, and you're just going to roll it on like you're painting with pressure.
Down.
Yeah.
New at this.
Not that much pressure.
Oh, jeez. Kids these days. Okay, so just one at a time.
Oh, Jesus, that hurts.
Yeah, well,
This is long.
200 years from...
No, first of all, no.
I just got in trouble.
You don't go like this.
You
That
don't go like
breaks
this.
hairs. Nice, like you're petting a cat. 3
Well,
bars.
I don't do that.
And then you want to pull it as quick as possible. And then pressure afterwards because that helps take away the pain. Now, show them how long this is. Jesus. Never letting it get this long again. What are you telling them?
Nothing?
Okay.
Okay. All right.
But put your hair behind your head. Go ahead. There you go. Good. Not that hard.
Well, jeez. I mean, what does pressure mean to you? I feel like you're misleading me.
No, not misleading.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Mm-hmm.
Rip.
Good. Better.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Good. You're doing good. How do you like it?
I mean, it's certainly so much easier than like a normal wax application.
And it costs less because you're using less product. Now, remember, you don't want to pull up, but you want to pull parallel.
Okay, what does that mean then? Like this?
It means that, let me get these little bits. When you pull up like this, you can break the hair. You want to pull it as close as you can to the skin.
Okay.
So,
you know, these are things nobody ever taught me in beauty school, so clearly the classes that my lovely, gorgeous coworker here has taken have been extremely beneficial to her because I've been doing this for ages to myself, and I am clearly messing up.
no, you're not. There's just different ways to do it.
Well, there's good ways and bad ways, though.
You wax your legs?
I used to occasionally. Was that one with pressure better?
Yeah, that's better. Good. Is it satisfying?
It's so satisfying, but there's also, it's very scary because Libby is the wax queen, and it's a lot of pressure to live up to her standards.
Oh, come on. That is not true.
Ooh.
That. We should take a picture of that.
The difference. Ooh, look at that. That's like when they do the makeup where one side is a boy and one side is a girl. But how satisfying.
Are you getting a lot of satisfaction out of this?
I feel like I have transformed you from the beast into the beauty that you are.
Look how long this hair is. It's insane.
How long did it take you to grow this out like this?
It's been a couple months.